Salut și bine v-am găsit în episodul de astăzi. Jucăm încearcă să... Astăzi nu, ne jucăm astăzi. O să încercăm încearcă să nu râzi. Asta încep. Nu știu ce vreau să văd aici.
Thanks, author.
Și am... Aici nu știu ce este să râd. Știu, pianistul cel amuzant după rău. Ce că amuzant după rău. Asta e româncă. Ne face de tot rușine. What the... What the fuck? Tita mă pune... Ce-a mâncat asta, frate? Mid bowling. Aici nu o să arăt. Pentru că e ceva. Ok, băi. Eu știu pe astea, nio, 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 nio. Nio, 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 nio. Nu știu ce atât de amuzant. Ce naibii? Dar începe cu D. Ce D? Toi de capul. N-am nimic cu ce ne poartă afară de intrare. Cine are așa râdă să vorbească?
Front village with my friend the zombie, Jonathan. You're looking good. Jonathan just got an awesome face paint job. What do you think? I like turtles.
Nu, ce de buci. What?
Nope. Bunch of geese or ducks.
Scuterații.
No, please don't do something unexpected. What did she do?
Măi. Vă rog, puteți să spuneți numărul de rațe, poate. Cine face asta o să fie... Ce să vă spun eu? O să fie numărul 1. Boss.
Let's do this.
O să mă abonez, o să se aboneze și prietenii mei și canalul acelui om care spune câte rații exact a fost. E cam o problematică. LOL. Ok, s-a terminat deja. Hai să mai ne uităm la una. Uite, astea.
Dumneavoastră știți pe ce planetă suntem noi? Nu se poate. Nu sunt daci.
Am înțeles gluma. Da, nu era mea. Planul nu știu de...
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the bitches.
Durează 10 minute, deci 13 minute, 14.
Today we're going to discuss a healthy meal with salad, which is perfect. Want a burger with fries and ice cream and pizza?
Hey, yo, Todd, where our money at?
What the fuck?
Where's my phone? It's with my dad. Is that a lion? Yep.
Hey, you got that $100 you owe me? I give you $10 right now. Here you go, player. So you go just give me a $10 check?
Pay me what you want.
Hello from the other side.
Hello? Hold on. Is this a Febreze commercial?
The fuck?
Hey, bud. Heard about Vine. Your mother and I have been talking. We think it's in your best interest to get a YouTube channel.
Give me the bag or I shoot the girl.
Don't give it to him!
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
I'm so lazy. Don't you dare. I can't do anything right.
Shut up!
I'm just not good enough.
I will punch you with friendship!
Mary had little lamb. Oh, can we eat the lamb? That sounds like a good idea, yeah?
Yeah, can I get a large soda? Here you go. This is literally just ice. Oh, I'm sorry, let me see that. Oh, better. Where'd you find that chapstick?
I don't know. I found it over there.
Ross, have you seen my chapstick?
What the fuck?
I'm only going to school to smoke cigarettes in front of everyone.
Ok, aici e niște degete în jucătoare.
When we go in this restaurant, you are 12. Mom, I am 18. And would you like a kids menu?
Yes, I do.
Merry Christmas, dude. There's nothing
I got your big old sock.
Go!
I got this soda. I got this soda.
Uitați-vă voi, până mă duc puțin undeva. Uitați-vă voi.
Alright, Stella, you understand why I pulled you over?
Uitați-vă voi
No,
înainte
honey,
să
because
vin.
wearing that top is a crime all by itself. Would you like some ice for that burn?
Oh my goodness, I'm waking up early now and finally getting myself together. This is fantastic. And I'm a lazy piece of garbage.
Hi, my name's Billy the Duckling, and I...
Hey, look, guys, it's the ugly duckling.
Oh, McDonald. Oh, McDonald had a fun. Right behind the bus.
I got a really big team, and they need some really big rings.
Stop repeating me! Stop repeating me!
Deci așa Delon.
Hey, you excited to hang out tonight?
Really?
Me neither. Want to cancel?
Alright, in bed.
That's a good one. Finally, let's go. Wait. Nope, it's a bad one.
Hey, Brian, what do you think about the recent election? No questions?
All right, pick a partner. I ain't watching no one's
Okay.
kids. Oh my God, that's a black window. It's got mad Venom in it. That's gonna kill you.
Okay, this is the last straw.
Are you gonna need it?
Merry Christmas.
I just found your goldfish
Adevărat.
dead, Jimmy.
Bă, tații sunt cei mai buni prieteni ai copiilor. Mai ales băieților. What the fuck?
Dang, how many takes you got?
1738. Are you there,
Au 1789 de...
What do you think of these
What's
pants?
up?
God, yes!
The
Should I wear this?
fuck
Incredible haul.
this?
We were just discussing your childhood. I had a great childhood. Let's roll the tape.
Hey Ollie, what's up?
Hey, what's that sound?
Oh, this is just a cookie.
You know how unhealthy that is? There's
Alright, you're annoying.
Give me your money. Just take the purse. It's all.
Hai să dăm un pic mai încet.
My dick alone. Catch me in the crib with your hoe and shit. Sucking on my bowels. Sucking all up on my fucking...
Ok, aia a fost fucked up.
I sleep naked every time, no matter what. Oh, really? It gets kind of awkward sometimes because I have narcolepsy. Oh, the disease where you fall asleep at random times?
I mean, oh my goodness! What the heck? My new wallpaper. Oh shit.
Da, am înțeles gluma. Party direct.
Why did the teacher call me and tell me her mom?
What the...
What's up, ladies? My name's Brad. I'm a really good singer. Am I more than you, boy?
Ok, hai să dăm la sfârșit și mulțumesc că v-ați uitat. Sper că v-a plăcut și să nu ezitați să apăsați butonul de like și să vă abonați. La revedere!